Hi, my name is Professor Cruz Medina, and one of the questions that I'm frequently asked is, what makes a good thesis statement? So, first off, I want to take a look at an example here. We have F. Scott Fitzgerald uses the symbol of the green light in The Great Gatsby. So, what we have right here is kind of the makings of a thesis. But what we want to be looking for is it make sure it answers the questions of who, where, what, how, and why. When I ask these questions, it wants to seek to answer, who is the speaker of this text? Where is this text located? What is the argument? And then, what kind of strategy or appeal is this particular thesis pointing out? And why does this matter to our audience? So right now we have kind of some of the beginnings of the, how in terms of the symbol. We have sort of the what is happening here. We even have the where. So I want to move forward to another example, though. We tend to see pretty often as well. We have S. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby criticizes wealthy lifestyles. In this essay, we'll discuss the green light, Great Gatsby's illegal business, and Tom Buchanan's mistreatment of people. So what we see here is the typical three-prong thesis. So this is a really familiar genre because it's something we often see in your SAT or your AP test. However, it's not exactly a genre that we write in terms of any kind of public or professional writing that we do beyond these kinds of tests. So when we're thinking about writing an essay or a thesis, we kind of want to push away from this particular genre here. So another example that I'll bring up that I think moves towards the direction we want to think about in The Great Gatsby, F. Scott Fitzgerald criticizes the desire for wealth through the use of the symbol of the green light to demonstrate how the envy of wealth dehumanizes those who covet it. So right away we can start to look for these questions here. Who is the speaker of this text? We have F. Scott Fitzgerald. Where? We're thinking about The Great Gatsby. And then you're asking, what is being argued? Well, it's being argued that the critique of wealth. So we clearly see that as the what happening there. And then we have the question of how. What literary or rhetorical device is being used? And we see that as the green light, or the symbol of the green light. That is how we're seeing this critique happening. And then why? Why does it matter to the audience? They're trying to demonstrate how the envy of wealth dehumanizes those who covet it. So that's the why, which often tends to answer this question of so what that we often have when we see a lot of the beginnings of other thesis statements. I hope that helps. Thank you.